Start off by sorting your bungees into the 3 different lengths. Shortest goes in the front, middle goes on the sides, and the longest goes in the rear. Simply feed the bungees through the grommets and either through the windshield loops or around the roll bar. Repeat the process, putting 1 bungee ball in each hole. If you have a soft top, simply pull the front bungees to the side to work the latch.
For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.